Sa video ito ay ipapakita natin ang road and traffic signs dito sa Pilipinas. Importanteng alam natin ito para makapasa ng LTO exam, maiwasan ng violation, at syempre aksidente sa kalsada. Simulan na natin! Priority signs. Stop sign. Driver must stop at designated stop line. No parking within 6 meters. Give way sign. Yield to the vehicles on right side of intersection. Ang ibig sabihin po ng yield is to give way or magbigay daan. Left turner must give way. Ang mga sasakyang pakaliwa ay dapat magbigay daan. Directional signs. Kung nasan po yung may arrow, yun ang susundin nating direction. Vehicles may pass either side, no turns, one way, keep right, all traffic, merging traffic, two-way, sa lubong na trapiko, right lane must turn right, left lane must turn left. Prohibitive signs o yung mga pinagbabawal. Kadalasan po nito yung mga may kulay pula. No entry for all types of vehicles. Minsan po specific lang sa sasakyan, kagaya nito, no cars. No jeepneys. No buses. No trucks. No bicycles. No motorcycles. No tricycles. No vehicles with trailer. No animal-drawn vehicles or bawal ang kalesa. No pedestrian crossing. Pedestrians are not allowed to cross the road or bawal tumawid. Aaring ganito naman po ang inyong makitang sign. Use overpass. Use pedsing. Pedestrian must use overpass or pedestrian crossing. Bawal tumawid, gamitin ang overpass. Sa speed signs naman po, dito nyo makikita kung gaano kabilis o kabagal ang pwede nyo itakbo sa partikular na lugar. Maximum speed restriction. End of speed restriction. Sa kulay asul na may mean sa ilalim, ito naman po yung minimum speed restriction. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng bumaba sa takbo na 40 km per hour. Parking and stopping signs. Ito naman po yung allowable parking and loading zone at a given time and place. No stopping anytime. No loading, unloading anytime. Bawal magsakay o magbaba ng pasahero. No parking on fire hydrant within 4 meters. Huwag po tayong magpa-park sa mga fire hydrants natin within 4 meters. So, maliban sa matitikitan tayo, ay maaaring ganito mangyari sa ating mga sasakyan kapag nagkaroon ng sunog. No waiting. Bus PUJ stop zone. Parking is not allowed. So, bawal po tayong mag-park sa mga bus stop or jeepney stop kung saan sila nagsasakay at nagbababa ng pasahero. Bus stop parking is not allowed. No parking, tow away zone. Parked vehicles will be towed. No stopping or parking anytime within the yellow box. No parking anytime from Monday to Friday. Left turner must give way. Yung mga pakaliwa po ay kailangan magbigay daan. Miscellaneous signs. No entry for vehicles with gross axle load of more than 2 tons. No entry for vehicles with gross vehicle mass of more than 5 tons. No entry for vehicles with more than 10 meters in length. No entry for vehicles with more 2 meters of width. No entry for vehicles with 3.5 meters in height. No blowing of horns or bawal bumusina. Kadalasan po ito makikita sa mga ospital o sa mga simbahan. Use seatbelt law sign is used pursuant to RA 8750, the seatbelt law. Horizontal signs. Sharp turn or delikadong papalapit na kurbada. Reverse turn, double bend. Reverse curve, double curve. Winding road. Hairpin bend. Intersection signs. Intersection ahead. T-junction ahead. Y-junction ahead. Roundabout ahead, rotonda. Side road junction ahead. Approach to intersection. Approach to intersection side road. Approach to intersection merging traffic. Advance warning signs. Traffic lights ahead. Driver must not park or stop within 6 meters of this sign as it reduces visibility for other drivers. Stop sign ahead. Give way sign ahead. Road width signs. Narrow bridge ahead. Or papasok sa makipot na tulay. Two-way road ahead. End of two-way road ahead. Road narrows ahead. Opening bridge ahead. Uneven road ahead. Hump ahead. Downhill sign or pababang kalsada. Uphill sign, pataas na kalsada. Spillway sign. Makikita nyo to madalas sa mga flood-prone areas. Flood-prone area. Landslide-prone area. Slippery when wet. Animal crossing ahead. Low-flying airplane zone. Pedestrian signs. Be aware of pedestrian crossing. Be aware of person with disabilities crossing. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Be aware and stop for children crossing ahead. Advise pedestrian to cross at designated areas. Ang ibig sabihin ng PEDSing ay pedestrian crossing. Ito ay para maging aware ang motorista sa paparating na tawiran ng tao. Be aware and slow down on bike lane ahead. Railway level crossing signs. Railroad crossing. Vehicles must stop or give the right of way. Railway crossing advance warning. Alternative railway crossing position in an area that can easily be seen. Supplementary signs. Prepared maximum speed during normal weather traffic conditions. Additional sign on roadworks ahead para sa mga ginagawang kalsada. Signs of PWD, senior citizens, schools, and playgrounds. For jeepneys, for buses. When wet, combine with slippery road warning sign. Distance to next hazard area. Marami pa po tayong ibang road traffic signs, so check out for part 2. For more informative videos and tutorials, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!